Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining me for a new video today. So you guys already know that I love taking my existing t-shirt designs and all other print-on-demand product designs, and I typically optimize for Amazon, specifically Merch by Amazon, because we can sell Prime eligible print-on-demand products on the world's largest e-commerce marketplace. So that is typically what I am optimizing for, but I'd be selling myself short after putting in the effort to create those designs if I wasn't going to post them for sale on other platforms, including Amazon Seller Central, but also beyond that, places like Etsy, eBay, Shopify, really anywhere where we can create a seller account and sell products. Now, we know that print-on-demand production partners are who we outsource the creation and fulfillment of those orders to, so that we can sit comfortably in our computer chairs and worry about scaling our businesses. Now, today I want to talk about a print-on-demand production partner that you need to know about called Printailor. Now, using them is going to allow us to increase our bottom line significantly. Wait, is that the right way to say it? I think it's decrease our bottom line, right? So it's going to actually reduce our fulfillment costs, which I think means reduce our bottom line. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to use them in this video and show you how much money can be saved if you use them to fulfill some of your orders. It's not like an all or nothing thing. You can actually start by allowing them to fulfill a couple of your orders and see how it goes. You know what I mean? And then if you like it, let them fulfill more of them over time. So I'm going to show you all that. Why don't we get started? So this is what the Printailor homepage looks like. I will, of course, put a link at the top of the description to make it easy for you to create a free account. Now, once you sign up, Printailor, guys, it functions very similar to any of the other print-on-demand production partners that you may have heard of or worked with in the past. Essentially, we create the mock-ups of our products and the designs. We focus on selling them, and then after we make a sale, they handle fulfillment. So you guys are probably familiar with that already, but here's the workflow, okay, of essentially how all of this works in case you're new to my channel maybe, or new to print-on-demand, etc. So we pick an item that Printailor can fulfill, okay? And then we would upload our designs to Printailor, overlay it on the product. This is essentially creating what the final product is going to look like after it's printed, but we're doing it digitally first. So then eventually one day it's going to exist in the real world after we make a sale. If you choose to, you can actually use Printailor to connect to any of your stores, and you can publish designs straight from Printailor. They're expanding their integrations currently. Then we focus on selling the products, right? We need to make the sales because prior to making sales, none of the products really have to exist. They just exist as blank products, blank t-shirts, blank hoodies in their warehouse. And following the sale, of course, we have them printed and sent to the customer. Okay, but we get to outsource fulfillment, which is what makes print-on-demand such a special opportunity. So as far as product options at Printailor, currently they are expanding the catalog, but there is a unisex classic t-shirt, there is a classic v-neck unisex, and there is a long sleeve shirt. Okay, now fulfillment costs, this is what really is probably going to be most compelling as far as why you should care. You know what I mean? If you're already working with another company, well, what's significant about Printailor? Let me show you. So standard t-shirts and v-neck shirts, fulfillment cost $5.99, and that includes the larger sizes. Okay, so you're not getting like a surprise markup because you selected the wrong color or the wrong size. I'm sure any of you guys that have worked with some of the bigger names, Printful, Printify, especially Printify, you get some pretty significant jumps in prices if you select a larger size or you select like the wrong color. The long sleeve shirts currently $7.99 for fulfillment there. So you're saving roughly at least 33% by allowing Printailor to fulfill your orders. Now, I also just wanted to mention very quickly that you don't have to use Printailor as the starting off point for creating your products. You can also, like if you're already selling products through Printful or Printify, you can cancel an order after it comes in and then manually recreate the order in Printailor to let them fulfill it, and you save the money, right? You save the difference between, like, it might be 33%. I'm going to show you in a second hoodies where you'll save even more. But if you just were wondering, so Printful Their most popular, well, it may be the most popular, it may not be. I know the Bella Canvas 3001 is extremely popular on Printful and Printify, but for Printful, like the t-shirt that I would use as my go-to is the Gildan 64000. It has a base cost of $8.95. It was $7.95, but they had to increase it by $1 recently, so I shed a tear for that. Printify, if you use premium, you can use the Bella Canvas 3001 shirts for as low as $7.16. However, again, you need to be aware that the size of the shirt that you click and the colors will increase the cost. So saying it's $7.16 is actually a little misleading. I did a video on that. You guys might want to catch that because it kind of explores what it really costs. And then Printailor behind me here, $5.99 for a standard t-shirt. Also, I mentioned you're going to save a lot on hoodies. So Printailor has a zip hoodie. They have a classic sweatshirt. And they've got a classic front pocket hoodie. I don't know what to call it. Hoodie, hooded sweatshirt. To me, that's like behind me here. This is a normal hoodie. So the zip hoodies, guys, base cost $11.99. Yes, you heard that correctly, $11.99. So hopefully I've got your attention now. The standard sweatshirts, only $8.99. That's what Printful was charging for a standard t-shirt. Okay, it's just for comparison. And the hoodie behind me, $10.99 to get a customized hoodie printed. So this needs to be on your radar, guys. You're saving 50% by allowing them to fulfill any of your orders. Some, one, one test one. So you should be aware. All right. And then the comparison here, Printful's cheapest hoodie. And when we say cheap, it doesn't imply that it's bad quality. I personally really like the Gildan 18500. It's just so soft on the inside. That's really the thing that got me when I did my test orders. So I'm a fan of the product, but the base cost is $21.95. Printify, base cost of their unisex EcoSmart pullover hoodie by Hanes. This was the cheapest one that I saw there. $17.47. Of course, Printify they got all the surprises in store for you when you select a certain size and a certain color. I always have to make that reminder because it's relevant. And then Printailor here, $10.99 for the front pocket standard hoodie. So you want to do it with me real quick and see how this works. Watch along. All right, so here we go. In Printailor, on the primary navigation, click Products. Now, in this example, I'm going to click the classic round neck t-shirt, just the standard t-shirt. You may want to do V-neck though. I think people are they're used to paying more for a V-neck, whereas in this case, for fulfillment purposes, the V-neck's only costing $5.99, the same as the standard. So it's really up to you. For this demo though, I'm going to click the classic t-shirt. Now, it's going to take you to the t-shirt information page. You can see some mock-ups there. They're working on expanding the mock-up functionality as well. You can see the price. You can see that if you order more than 100 pieces, you get a better price. You can see the colors that are currently available, sizes that are available, etc. So you can hit Start Designing. It'll take you to their designer. Now, some designers are robust in that they let you move your stuff around. Others are more or less like upload the finished design and just kind of leave it. They're like a mixture of both here. You can upload your finished design. There is functionality to let you move it around, flip it, etc. You can use tiling as well. You can see that at the bottom of the screen here in the screenshot. But all you need to do is click in the middle there where it says upload your design. Then go ahead and upload your design. You can drag and drop it into the screen or click the upload button. So I put a demo design up here that says I'd rather be fishing. And then just click that design to apply it to the various products. So you can see here, I went ahead and I just showed you all of the colors available for this demo. You've got black, white, gray, red, and blue currently. By the way, I wouldn't recommend doing what I did here behind me and putting a design with red text over a red shirt. The customer may not be a fan of the end result. You may end up with a return on your hands. Also worth mentioning while we're here that you can put designs on the front, the back, and the left and right sleeves. Okay, so that's worth knowing. All right, and then when you're ready to go, hit the save button. So you're going to be able to find your product on the product templates page. You can get there by clicking the navigation on the left-hand side where it says product templates. Here you can see the I'd rather be fishing standard t-shirt template that we just created. You can see the colors that are currently available. You can see the sizes that are currently available. And you'll notice there's two options here. So we can either publish this product to one of the e-commerce stores that we run, or we can purchase it. And I'm going to explain the difference really quickly. If you hit publish, you can then select the stores that you've integrated with. Now, as of recording this video, they've got a Shopify integration. Shopify is a great solution for running an e-commerce store, so you don't have to code the whole website and the checkout backbone of it. It's a nice secure way of running an e-commerce store, basically. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Shopify. They're also working on an Etsy integration, and an Amazon integration is in the roadmap. I had a chance to talk to them, so I'm excited to see when the Etsy and Amazon integrations are live. But here's the thing, you don't need to integrate with a platform in order to use Printailor for fulfillment. So you can also use the purchase option. And this is what I was kind of referring to earlier, where you can go into Printful, Printify, whoever else you're using, cancel the order and recreate it in Printailor and increase your margins, which, I mean, come on guys, that's why we're here. We're doing it to make more money, okay? So you can recreate the order in Printailor by clicking the purchase button. Then you're gonna see this prompt pop up that says place order. Here you can select your color, your size. Most likely you're only gonna be selecting one color and size combination because in my experience, most customers are only ordering one piece, but if they're ordering multiple pieces, you can set that up right here. You'll notice in this demo, I selected a black shirt, size large, and it's gonna cost me $5.99. That's without shipping and taxes. From here, you're at the checkout screen, so you add the customer address. After you have the address, you select shipping. Next video, I'm gonna talk more about what to expect as far as shipping and all that. The shipping, you're gonna expect a little bit more of a delay because they are shipping out of China, which is allowing them to fulfill the product orders with such low costs, but it is within the normal range. It's gonna be, I mean, I don't wanna speak too soon, but I know that it's probably in the range of like 10 to 14 days before the customer is going to receive the product. And as far as the like actual production, it's gonna be expedited, so they'll get it out the door very quickly. All right, so when it comes to payments, you can do PayPal, credit card, etc., and then hit the Pay Now button. And that's it, guys. So if you guys are ready to check out Printailor, again, it's at the top of the description. Let me know what you think. It's worth knowing that this exists too. It wasn't that long ago. It was just 1 year ago where a lot of the primary go-to print-on-demand production partners, the biggest ones that we're familiar with, were having inventory issues. We're having massive delays on fulfillment, right? This was literally a year ago. It was last year. So having alternatives, especially alternatives like this that are reducing your bottom line and increasing your profit margins, you should be considering them at a minimum, right? Especially when there's, you can sign up for free. Do a test order, see how long it takes to get to you, check the quality, all that good stuff. I'm planning a second video where I'm going to explore both of those things. I'm going to check quality, test orders, all the above, guys, and I'll report back with the findings. Before I wrap up, just wanted to remind you guys, thank you for watching till the end, by the way, that I've got that free print-on-demand giveaway. All you have to do is use the link in the description. It takes like 2 seconds to enter, and 2 winners are going to be randomly drawn and announced this Sunday. They're going to receive a license to Merch Titans, Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets, Premium Premade Graphics, and Bubble Scout, my go-to Redbubble niche research tool. So it's free to enter. Link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like on this video if you liked it and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you soon.